Well, hello. Today's video is about composting. And what I did, I see my father-in-law was going to throw away some leaves and greens into the compost pile for the city. But I said, I'll come by and get those because I know my father-in-law, I know he doesn't use chemicals or pesticides in his yard. So that's why I snagged these up to put in my compost bin. It's completely full. There's browns, the leaves, there's greens, vegetables, grass clippings and things. So within over the duration of the winter season, this will break down and we'll have compost for next year. So if you're thinking about getting compost from like a local landfill or anything, just be careful because you do not know if someone put Roundup or any type of harmful chemicals in their yard. And also this too, if you have like cat or dog poop, I don't put that in this compost bin at all. So I have a different compost bin. If my kids happen to mow someone's yard that has dogs, I don't put that in my compost bin because I don't want that to be placed into my garden or anything. So I just want to say thank you guys for taking time to watch this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.